Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a new product that I picked up. I will leave links below as always, so check all those out in the description below if you hit show more. Today I have Soho Urban Artist Extra Soft Oil Pastels. And when they say extra soft, they mean business. These things are super creamy. And yeah, so creamy that I'd almost have to do an underpainting to use them layer upon layer, but they're buttery and wonderful. But anyway, they give you this little swatch card here, and I just did the one because I was just had short on time, but you can see the tip there, how much product came off. So they are super, super creamy. So if you're looking for something that's very, very like textural and even using like a palette knife, maybe you've painted most of it and some of the less creamy ones, and then you want to put these on top, that would be a great option. So I dove in here on some, actually this is just some quality drawing paper, and just grabbing a few colors. I was anxious to try them out just in my regular way to see without any underpainting or any other oil pastel or watercolor or anything. And yeah, they were fun to work with, and they have a nice range of colors. This is the larger set, and I'm making some flowers here, and they layered up really, really well. Again, you have to do it strategically because they are literally like softened butter. I mean, it's very creamy, the creamiest I've ever worked with, and I've worked with a few creamy ones. So, so would I have this set exclusively? Probably not. I would think that you may have to have another brand that's a little bit less creamy, but these are wonderful, and I think they're at a price point that would be a great addition if you love painting with oil pastels. So here are a few blues and purples that I'm layering on there, and you can see that they layer quite nicely. I was trying out the green before I committed to it, and I really like them. I think that they were a fun find. Sometimes you get new things and you're kind of disappointed, but these were amazing. And so these again are the Soho Urban Artist, I think 72. I don't know. You have to look at my link there, but anyways, really fun to work with. Heretofore, I've been using a lot of Mungyo Paul Rubens in the however you say that, HAIYA ones. Those are probably the creamiest besides these. These definitely go much more creamy. So I'm barely touching here. You can see all the stuff coming off, and I'm barely touching this dark purpley blue, and yeah, so there's the white that it comes with, and you can see how easily it picks up the other color. So you just have to bear that in mind when you're using them. But they are, like I said, fun to work with. So if you have heard about these and have been sitting on the fence, hopefully this will help you make a little bit of a decision there. But as someone who uses oil pastels quite often, I think these are a great addition, and I look forward to using these a lot, in addition to my Paul Rubens and my Mungyo, and perhaps with some more underpainting underneath, establishing blocks of color. But yeah, and they worked really well on the paper. Here's a little shot of all the beautiful colors. Look at all those blues. And then it's pretty amazing. Those are the ones sticking out, are the ones that I've used so far. Lots of great tones there. I think you will enjoy this set, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy that. I made some pattern paper through this, so we'll see how fast I can get that out. Check out those links below. Don't forget to share this video, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today, and I hope you have a great day.